This 17-year-old got 31 million views on just his third short, 34 million on his fourth, and it wasn't luck. Look at all these videos, he kept going viral. But how was it so easy for him? By the end of this video, you'll know the exact viral formula this 17-year-old used to get millions of views and earn himself thousands of dollars. Every creator is stuck on one question. How do I make viral shorts? And there are so many videos on this. One person says, add lots of hashtags. Another says, post 3 shorts a day. Another says, keep the video length very short. But that's all nonsense. I decided to study his shorts in detail and broke it down into a 4-step loop he kept repeating that got him millions of views, so you can use it in your shorts too. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will also know how to make viral shorts. Step 1. The idea. One of the biggest reasons a short's views die off like this has nothing to do with editing. Most creators pick random trends or just post whatever comes to mind and then wonder why no one cares. But Daniel did something different. Look at this short he posted.
If you go to sleep and suddenly feel like you're falling, there's actually a reason for this. It's called hypnic jerk, and it happens when you're about to fall asleep. During this process, your brain can sometimes misinterpret your muscles relaxing as a sign that you're actually falling. In response, it sends a burst of energy to your muscles to try and catch yourself, leading to your body twitching and suddenly waking up.
He picked universal topics people can relate to. Just look at the number of views, likes, and comments. What made this video go so viral? Almost every person has experienced the feeling of falling while sleeping, and it's actually something that makes everyone curious. But how do you apply this to your niche? Use what I call a brain itch idea. One short question or statement that makes people think, I need to know this. But trust me, even if your idea is good, none of this matters if you mess up step 2. You're dropping your short into an ocean with millions of other videos people can watch. Why would someone stop scrolling for yours? In shorts, the first 3 seconds decide everything. Either they scroll away, or you've got their attention. Look at the first 3 seconds of this short.
When you work out, you are actually tearing your muscles.
There's a 3-second rule. Show it. Put an engaging visual related to your topic on screen instantly. Move it. Change the frame with a quick zoom or visual changes. Say it. While all this is happening in the video, the voiceover's one short sentence makes you go, wait, what? And now you've hooked them into the video. But how do you keep them watching to the end? That's where the most important step comes in. Before we get to it, I'd really appreciate a quick like and subscribe. It goes a long way for me. Step 3. The emotional roller coaster. Your hook got them to stop. Now you need to keep them engaged throughout. Think of your short like a tiny movie. What makes a movie good? Think of Mission Impossible. How do they keep people glued from start to finish? Because they make you go through an emotional roller coaster. It opens with something shocking. Ethan Hunt literally clinging to the side of a plane as it takes off. Then, as the story unfolds, everything suddenly goes wrong. One of Ethan's best friends, Benji, ends up strapped to a ticking bomb. The clock is running out, and the mission feels impossible. And finally, there's the big payoff. Ethan pulls off the impossible and saves the day in the very last seconds. Your short needs this same structure, just packed into 20, 30, or 40 seconds. Open with a moment that surprises or makes someone interested. Then add tension, a catch, a problem, something that makes them worry or wonder. Finally, deliver the satisfying reveal or solution. Remember, you're taking the viewer on a mini adventure. That ride is what keeps people watching. And now let's talk about the final step that all viral shorts use to hold retention to the very end. Step 4. The payoff. Most creators blow this moment, and it's the easiest way to kill your retention and not make your video go viral. There are 2 powerful ways to finish a short the right way. The auto loop ending. You've probably seen this without realizing it. Daniel's 20 million views short ends with just 3 words.
Broke correctly, and that's why. When you shave your hair,
it feels natural, like he's going to say something, and then the video instantly replays. For the viewer, it's seamless. They got the answer and boom, they're back at the start before they even think about swiping away. For the algorithm, this is gold. Why? Because when people watch again automatically, your average view percentage goes over 100%, meaning YouTube sees people not just finishing, but rewatching. That's a massive positive signal. Option 2. The clean payoff cut. Sometimes the smartest move is to stop the exact second you drop the answer. No extra explanation, no drawn-out goodbye, no "hope this helped." That sharp ending keeps your retention graph flat all the way through and stops the drop-off that usually happens at the end. Either way, the rule is simple. Never keep talking after the curiosity loop is closed.